Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where today I am going to show you me cleaning my cleaning cupboard and reorganizing it. It is a mess. It's been on my list for so long, and because we had that work done in the kitchen this week, everyone was in there messing with it, made it even worse. We don't actually have a lot of cleaning stuff because most products either one, I found out were unnecessary and a waste of money, and two, send Arthur's skin a little bit crazy. So we don't have a lot at all. We just have standard. We've got some bleach, we've got some multi-surface spray, we've got some glass cleaner. The rest in this cupboard is kind of laundry stuff and like hand soaps and things, I think. So here I'm just always hoover first. That is my big tip. I know a lot of professional cleaners would agree. And then I'm using the Method multi-surface spray, which we pretty much use on everything. I think it's the best one. I did try the Sainsbury's cheaper alternative and it just wasn't the same. So we've gone back, and it also smells amazing. So I found some overstock washing up liquid, so I'm filling that up, get rid of that bottle, one less thing in the cupboard. I don't usually have overstocks, but because this cupboard is so unorganized, there's a few things that I've got too many of because I didn't see them and then I bought them and wasted my money. Anyway, here's me filling up my top rated product, which is a Lazy Susan. I absolutely love them for organising, especially when you've got random bits and pieces in a cupboard and you just need to put them together. Here is my fold that I'm using for the cloths. We have 1,000,001 of these carbon cloths. They are amazing. They are so good at not leaving streaks, and you can literally use them on anything. They also dry things really well. Yeah, I would highly recommend these. I'll link them in the description box. So I think cloths are one of those things, do you fold, do you not fold, because you use them so often. I'll probably end up throwing these back in to the box every week, but as long as they're contained, they're still organised. You don't have to fold everything for it to be a good system and for it to be really organised. And I'm going to pop them here. Are you ready for the before and after? Here's the before. Oh, such a mess. And here's the after. I have moved some stuff to the back, which is the stuff I don't use that often, and all the things that I use often are at the front because accessibility is key to organisation. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time.